Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into the highly anticipated Google Pixel 9. Let's talk features, design, and everything you need to know. First up, the design. The Pixel 9 sports a sleek, minimalist look that is sure to catch your eye. Google has really nailed it with a subtle blend of glass and metal. The color options? You've got Stormy Black, Cloudy White, and a new, stunning sunset pink. These colors not only look great but also add a touch of elegance to the device. It's thin, light, and feels premium in the hand, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. Alright, let's move to the display, which is one of the standout features of this phone. Google has upgraded to a 6.7-inch OLED with a 120 Hz refresh rate. It's vibrant, sharp, and buttery smooth, providing an excellent viewing experience. Perfect for everything from browsing to gaming. Now let's talk about the camera. This is where the Pixel 9 truly shines and sets itself apart from the competition. The new triple lens setup includes a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and an 8MP telephoto. Night sight is better than ever, and real-time HDR is simply mind-blowing. Your photos and videos? They'll look professional no matter the lighting. Whether it's day or night, you can expect stunning results. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 is powered by Google's new Tensor G3 chip. It's faster, smarter, and more efficient, ensuring smooth performance across all tasks. Plus, with 8 GB of RAM and options for 128 GB or 256 GB of storage, you'll have plenty of space and speed for all your apps and media. Battery life? Google claims all-day battery with a 4500 mAh cell, which is impressive for a device this powerful. And with 30W fast charging, you can get up to 50% charge in just 30 minutes, making it convenient for those on the go. Wireless charging and reverse wireless charging are also on board, adding to the phone's versatility. Software-wise, the Pixel 9 runs on Android 14. It's clean, intuitive, and packed with Google's AI features, making everyday tasks easier. Voice assistant, real-time translation, and enhanced privacy controls. All here, making it a smart choice for tech enthusiasts. And of course, you get those timely updates straight from Google, ensuring your device stays up to date. Let's not forget the extras. 5G support, IP68 water and dust resistance, so you don't have to worry about accidental spills or drops. And an improved in-display fingerprint sensor, which is faster and more reliable than ever. It's the little things that make the Pixel 9 stand out, from its design to its performance. So, should you get the Google Pixel 9? Let's sum it up. If you're looking for a top-notch camera, a brilliant display, and a clean software experience, this phone is definitely worth considering. It offers a great balance of features and performance. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech content. Your support means a lot to us. See you in the next one. Peace.